if you're experiencing approval delays on Revolut, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow this guide to help expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A poor connection can lead to delays in processing your requests on the app. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Revolut app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues with approvals. Step 3. Verify your identity. If your account requires additional verification, ensure that you have completed all necessary identity checks. This may include submitting identification documents or answering security questions. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Revolut's customer support through the app. Provide them with details about your situation to get personalized assistance. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Approval delays can sometimes take time to resolve, but staying in touch with support can help keep your case prioritized. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any approval delays on Revolut efficiently. If problems continue, consider checking online forums or community support for additional tips.